Hello guys, I bring you greetings from Smart People, the only channel that talks about smart ways of making money. Guys, we keep telling you that in this world of technology advancement, if you are still sweating to make money, if you are still making money the hard way, guy, you are late. You need to follow our channel. You need to join us make money the smart way in the comfort of our home, just with our phones and laptops. Alright? Okay. Today we want to look at something so interesting. Now, for those of you who are yet to know, this is AAS, the arbitrage system that is coming to create a lot of millionaires around the globe, young millionaires that for that matter. You cannot be in AAS and be poor. My community, I'll be telling you that look, 1 year after the launch of AAS, if you are still poor, guy, we need to invite all the spiritual healers in the world to come and heal you from the cancer, come and heal you from the curse that will be placed upon you. Because in AAS, you cannot be poor. You can never be poor. And I told you time without number that look, because I trust the system, if I make a deposit in AAS, I'm never going to think about withdrawal for 12 good months. Alright, but for those of you who are new in this ecosystem, and for the sake of maybe reasons best known to you, maybe past experiences and all that, you might want to be making some withdrawal. I'll make a plan for you, okay, to follow, and I know this plan is going to help you very well. Okay, now I told you I'm going to promote AAS to my blood. I'm going to promote it to my bones because I trust this guy. You know, the technology the guy is building is one of its kind. It has never happened before. Okay, and I trust this guy so much so that if I'm here to meet Jason one-on-one, but for the few months I've worked with Jason, I'll be following him, and I know the kind of man he is. I trust the guy's integrity, and you know the kind of sleepless night and the money the guy is spending. He's not going through the hell he's going through only to build a system that will last for only months. The guy has a vision. He's building a system that is going to last for ages. That's why I'm going to promote AS with my blood. Guys, if this is the first time you are watching my channel, please do one thing for me. Just click on that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. In my next video, I'll be giving you detailed presentation about AAS. Okay, now come with me and let me dive you into my trading plan, which is going to make money for us in AAS. Right now, guys, this is my daily compound calculator. Okay, my daily compound interest calculator. Let's just assume that you invest $30 after the launch of AAS. And you know, when we launch, we are going to pay you a profit of 1.65% on your investment, and that will last for only 1 month, for the first 30 days. Okay, now if you calculate this for the first 30 days, your $30 is giving you this amount, $49. Okay, now CEO promises that after the first 30 days we are going to make 5% on our investment. That is a bonanza he's promising us for 2 good months, which is 60 days. Okay, so let's calculate 5% on 60 on $49 for 60 days, and let's see how much that will be giving us. Okay, so that is giving us about $915. Okay, now so this is the calculator I use for my calculations, and I trust this calculator, so everybody trusts these sites and their calculation, and so I know what I'm giving you is authentic. Now look at this. Now this is my 12 months plan policy, and this is how AAS is going to make us rich in just 12 months. Guys, look at this. Now right here, when we have startup capital, is the amount of money you want to invest into AAS when they launch. Okay, now the CEO said, or we all know, that the first 30 days we are going to run on 1.65 return on investment. So that is what calculation I have here. Now the CEO promised a 2-month bonanza of 5% return on investment. So that is what I have here also. And then here I have to withdraw, I will explain. I have to run for 9 months, I will explain all that. The 2.2 ROI, I will explain all that. Now just let's imagine you invest $20, because the minimum to invest in AAS is $20. Let's imagine you invest $20 into AAS. Now for the first 30 days, your $20 is going to yield $32.68. Now if you should leave this amount in the system, $32 in the system, for it to run the 2-month bonanza, so the 2-month bonanza will also give you $597. Now all the amount you have here is your money after the bonanza, after the 2 months bonanza the CEO promised us. Okay, so your investment here, 30 days here, then 2-month bonanza, after 2-month bonanza here. Now those of you who don't really trust the system for some reasons best known to you, I told you that any investment I make, I'm going to leave it to run for 12 months because I trust the system and I trust the technology Jason is building. Now if you want to make some withdrawal, the best thing you can do is divide this amount after the bonanza, whatever you have, divide it into 2 and withdraw half. Okay, withdraw half. So if you invest $20, you get $597. Divide into 2, you get $298. Withdraw $298 and leave the half, which is the saved $298. Leave it to run for the rest 9 months. You know we have 12 months in the year. Okay, so we have 3 months. 1 month here, 2 months here, making 3 months. Then you have 9 months to run again. So now your $298 that will run for 9 months will give you $166,159. So you see what your $20 is giving you, even after withdrawing $298. You see what you are getting after 12 months. Now to those of us who will never make any withdrawal like me, I will leave my money to run for the 12 months. So my $20 will give me 212,000. Guys, you see why I'm saying they are going to make it big with AAS. You see, I know what I'm talking about. So guys, that is it. So look at your investment here. Look at how much you get after 3 months. You decide how much you withdraw, but I just make it like this. Okay, and if you decide to leave it for 12 months to run, your little investment here, this is how much. So it means that you are going to be rich just in a matter of 12 months. Guys, no plenty talk. This is simple. Everybody can do this. Alright, it's simple. It's simple. So if this is the first time you are watching my channel, I keep saying just click on that subscribe button so that you follow my channel, because I talk about only smart ways of making money. We talk about smart ways of making money. And you know, right in the description of this video there's a Telegram link there. So just click on that link and join my Telegram group where we talk about best avenues to make investments, okay, to get value of your money, so that when AAS launch, you will be the first to know for you to start with us, because I don't need you to miss the bonanza. The 5% bonanza is only for 2 months. I don't need you to miss it. So join my Telegram group and keep yourself updated, okay? And I told you I trust the system, because look, the hell Jason Michael is going through, the sleepless night, the up and downs, the money he's spending to build this system. I don't think he's doing all that to build a system that will last for only months. No, he's building a system. He's building a generational wealth system, and anybody who buy into his system is making generational wealth for his generation. I mean, that is what I know. That is what I know. So guys, this is my little analysis. This is my calculation for us to run our 12 months and how we are going to make it big. Guys, if this give you value, you know what to do. Just give me a thumb up, and please don't forget to share the video for people to watch. Share it, let people come together, and then let's make the money together, because we are making it the smart way. The hard way is gone. Guys, I love you so much. Now see you at the top. Bye bye.